Irregular verbs with examples and correct pronunciation. Wear, wore. She wore a stunning dress. Drive, drove. He drove carefully home. Ride, rode. They rode bicycles together. Ring, rang. The bell rang loudly. Fall, fell. He fell off the ladder. Break, broke. She broke the window. Speak, spoke. He spoke eloquently. Fly, flew. The birds flew gracefully. Know, knew. They knew the truth. Throw, threw. He threw the ball. Feed, fed. She fed the hungry. Hold, held. He held her hand. Forget, forgot. They forgot their keys. Bite, bit. The dog bit him. Think, thought. She thought deeply. Shake, shook. They shook hands. Meet, met. They met for coffee. Sleep, slept. He slept peacefully. Teach, taught. He taught math. Sell, sold. She sold her car. Buy, bought. They bought groceries. Sit, sat. He sat on the bench. Stand, stood. She stood tall. Hear, heard. They heard music playing.